Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how I color my hair. I know it's been a very long time and I have not colored my hair for the past 2.5 years, and now I'm going to color my hair and I'm going to show you guys. See, look at the gray. Before we start coloring or using any product, it's very important to first go through the manual they have given. It's really important to do that.
That's Mommy.
Thank you.
Talking to like.
Alright, so make sure you wear your gloves first. You don't want the chemicals in our hands. Okay. Alright. So I put this colorant and then I'm going to mix this one. So I have completed coloring this side of my hair. Now I'm going to go to this side. Alright, let me show you how I do this. So I have only completed the scalp part. After this I'm going to start with this part. Alright, that's it.
Now you have to.
This has become a big mess. Okay, usually it's not so bad, but that's okay. I can clean it. Alright, so I'm going to take cotton and I'm going to use Vaseline or oil. I'll just clean everything. I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes and then wash it and I'm going to show you guys the result. So I'm back. Just wash my hair. So you can see already that there is no gray. Okay, I'm going to dry my hair and show. Guys, I'm back. So this is how it looks after drying my hair. So since my hair is wavy or curly hair, when I comb my hair, it looks frizzy. Yeah. So it looks frizzy. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, comment and share and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so that you can be updated, and I'll be posting a lot of videos in future. I'm trying to be consistent this time, so let's hope for the best. Bye bye. Okay, all right. Sorry, I wanted to show you somebody. Oopsie. All right, so she is my little helper. So she helps me a lot in making videos and everything. I'm excited about the video. All right, guys. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye.